I am Shiraz. I am from Pakistan. Currently, I am pursuing PhD in nursing at Chulalongkorn University in Thailand. I hold Bachelor of Science in Nursing, MS in Healthcare Management, and MS in Nursing as well. I have over 5 years of teaching experiences in higher education, where I teach Biostatistic as my main subject. And my teaching philosophy focuses on simplifying complex concepts and engage students in practical lessons. My teaching methodology adopts according to individual need, and I believe on practical real-life example for the better understanding of my students. Moreover, I have published more than 36 articles both qualitative and quantitative, and I have done a lot of data analysis, SPSS, which is the core concept of biostatistic. I always try to help my student in statistics. So try book a try lesson with me and enjoy this amazing energy journey together.